dear visitors and subscribers. Nice to meet you here again at Crazy Engine. Today we have a very special engine on the bench. This is Yamada, or so-called Futaba YS F 120, 4-stroke 120 size. So, engine was purchased on eBay. It was purchased as more or less perfect condition. From the point of view of seller, from the point of view of purchasers, it was practically terrible. So especially internal, the bearing was absolutely rusty. There was a problem with the valves. A lot of carbon was built up in the combustion chamber. Also we have some problems with the piston and the piston ring. This is only a very small part of really disasters which I found in this engine. Anyhow, engine was totally rebuilt, and right now it's mounted on the stand, and let us justify how it will perform. Thank you for watching. So my dear viewers and subscribers, hope you enjoyed this video as I was. I should say, honestly speaking, the engine from the beginning wasn't performed very well, and I spent really a lot of hours, at least 3 or 4 fuel tanks, just to bring it to the level of the normal performance. And engine is very tricky, a little bit tricky, and needs very fine adjustments. And I should say that this is engine. It's like another glow plugs. For example, the best possible results was achieved with the Enya number 3 glow plug. So this is glow plug, wasn't dedicated specially for strokers. And of course Yamada number 4 glow plug shows very nice results. So in general, this is really a great engine, very powerful, with the highest possible top speed, and really I'm very satisfied with this test. Hope you too. Thank you for watching, and see you soon on Crazy Engines. Have a nice day. Bye.